Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing Openart AI, an online platform that lets you generate and explore AI art. But the big question is Openart AI legit or just another scam? Stick around, I'll break it down in under 3 minutes. What is Openart AI? So first off, what is Openart AI? Openart is an AI-powered art generation and discovery platform, kind of like a mix between Midjourney and Pinterest. You can create AI images, explore community artworks, and even train custom models to get your own unique style. They also have tools like Prompt Generator, AI Model Trainer, and a marketplace where artists can showcase or sell styles. Is it legit? Now let's talk about legitimacy. Yes, OpenArt AI is legit. It is a real company with a functional website, active social media presence, and thousands of users who share AI art daily. They even integrate with Stable Diffusion and SDXL models, which are trusted names in the AI art world. However, like any AI tool, results can vary. Some images might look off or take longer to process depending on the settings. But in terms of security and payments, users haven't reported major scams or data issues. Just make sure you are on the official site, openart.ai, not fake copycats or phishing pages. Section 3. Pros and cons. Here's a quick breakdown. Pros: free to start with daily credits, easy to use for beginners, high quality AI art results, active community and inspiration feed. Cons: limited free credits, paid plans can get pricey, occasional slow generation times, some features still in beta. Conclusion: so overall, OpenArt AI is legit, not a scam. It is a solid tool if you are into AI-generated art, concept design, or digital creativity. If you have tried OpenArt yourself, drop your thoughts in the comments, legit or overrated. And do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and goodbye, and see you in another review.